What's up, guys? I'm Johnny, and this is Olivia.
Hey.
Hey. Today we're going to be opening up a box that I got off eBay. It's just in a random box that has toys and stuff, like just random toys in it. It's supposed to be like a mystery box, kind of, but I'm guessing it has some new things in it and some old things. I'm not really sure. But we're going to open it up and we're going to see exactly what's inside of it, and I'll show you. Let's see what's inside.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll wait for you. What's that little chain? It's so cute. Look at it.
Okay. There's Dartrix.
Yeah, Dartrix.
Dartrix Pokemon
It's in a little package.
battle figure. Is this right here? Okay.
Show the box.
Yeah, the box. It's just a box.
Show the box of sewing machine thing.
Yeah.
It's just showing
Okay.
machine box. I mean,
Here's another one.
what is this?
Hi Beanie Babies.
Yeah, I think it's you stuff. Is it?
What is it called though? What's the name of it?
Hold on. Look, there's the tag. There's a tag.
Where? Okay, it's a Hi Beanie Babies.
Its name is on it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's type Billy's. No, wait, that's in. No, anyways, that's one of them.
Hold on.
That's another one.
I'll showcase its name. Its name is Darla. Hold on, let me see.
Another one, Darla. Okay.
It won't show.
The next one is looks
Or
like a
just say
pop.
Darla.
Looks like a pop toy.
What is it?
Looks like Rugrats. What's that? What's his name? I can't remember. Maybe you can comment below and let me know what this one is, because I could never remember his name, but I remember he was in the Rugrats cartoon.
Yeah.
Another one.
Some of them are unpackaged.
Another one. We will unpackage these and let you kind of see them a little bit too, but this one is
Jolteon.
Jolteon
That
Pokemon.
noise
But
is
yeah.
me playing with this chain.
All right.
Hold on, let's put it down. Right here, near Darla.
All right, and there's another Ty Beanie Baby.
Wow,
a
that
Norba.
one's pretty. That one's pretty. Let me see it. Its name is Anora.
Yeah. Here's another Ty Beanie Baby. Cinder. And Cinder.
Wait, why am I shaking it?
I believe it says Cinder. But this one's it, the Ty Beanie Baby. Do you still got all them other Beanie Babies I got you that day?
Oh yeah. So I could put this in my collection.
Okay.
There's a little kitty.
Another one is Animal Alley.
And it's a little kitty. I'm sorry for saying killy.
Another little, well, not another, but it looks like a kitten, a little kitten plush toy.
The kitten. Oh, don't drop kitten.
Another one is gonna be
will drop.
Squishmallows.
Wait,
There's little
the little Jolteon thing dropped.
Squishmallows. I'm sorry.
Squishmallow.
You can kind of squish them a little bit, and they yeah, they're pretty cool.
Oh, they're so cute.
There's several more in here. Let's see.
Oh,
Squishmallows.
they're so soft.
Squishmallows.
Is that a dragon?
This one's a green one.
Is that a dragon?
It don't say.
Hold on, let me see
It
it.
just says Squishmallows. Squeeze and cuddle me. I don't know. Maybe for babies or something. I don't know. Maybe for little babies.
I think this is like a dragon. It probably is. That looks like a pig.
Here's one that's like a rainbow.
Pig with a horn.
It's a rainbow kind of a.
It's probably a unicorn too. They look like pigs, but they are probably.
Looks like there's quite a bit more of these. Let's see. There's a red one.
A red panda. It's so cute.
It's a red panda. I don't know if that's a panda. I think it's a squirrel. It's got a little squirrel. Are you sure that's not a squirrel?
That's a red panda.
No, this is
Is
a
it?
no. This is a panda. Right? No, no, wait. This is
That's a koala.
There's a koala bear, and these were developed in 2019, so they're fairly new. Okay, these are some of them are loose and some of them are still packaged. Here's another one. Let's see. It looks like a reindeer.
I think that's a fawn.
Sorry for the focus. This thing does not never want to focus.
That looks like a fawn because it's little tiny.
Yeah, yeah. This is
It's a little fawn reindeer.
the pink owl.
Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here.
There's a little pink owl right here. Looks like a. Comes from China, 2019.
Yeah, they all came from 2019, I'm pretty sure. And
Okay.
then there's a little penguin. It's so cute.
It's a little penguin right here. Okay. Now we're gonna check out the package stuff.
Me and my dad are going to be opening it on camera. So you want to open it now? You open it on camera.
I am. What you can just open it. Okay, the first one we're gonna look at is the Dartrix articulated
Hold on, don't.
Dartrix.
No, don't get to the dark trick yet. Oh, well, that's fine.
Okay.
The next one we're gonna showcase is the little Jolteon. I forgot its name for a bit, so I just
It's articulated. This is a new one. Is this a new one, right, or something? So,
Huh?
is that one like a new one?
I'm not sure. It probably is.
Okay. Which one is that one? What's he called?
Jolteon. Says it
Jolteon.
on the box. And then let's check out the checklist.
Oh, it comes with a checklist.
Yeah.
It actually shows other ones that you can collect. Like I'm sure the most popular one is Pikachu. I'm guessing.
Yeah, because everyone.
Flareon.
Okay. Here, let's check out
Bulbasaur.
the checklist. So there is a legend. Wait, these are the legendary Pokemon at the very top. I forgot their name. I forgot their names, but they are from the Sun and Moon. And there is some for the battle figures. There's like Lapras, Ash, and Pikachu. I don't know. His name is Beware.
Who?
The bear.
But anyways, guys, we're gonna start making some more unboxing videos soon. Of different things that we can review. Maybe we can kind of not really, I don't really know the whole informational part about who's the manufacturer and everything. I believe the manufacturer for these is this says Wicked Cool Toys. They do the small scaled figures of Pokemons and they're the battle figures.
Yeah, Wicked Cool Toys are the creators of Pokemon plushies and battle figures.
And then the I think it's Zoltar. Might be Zoltar who this is. Maybe you can tell me in the comments. It doesn't say a maker, but I'm guessing it's Pop Toys. The Pop collectibles. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for watching our videos today. We're gonna make some more different kind of videos later. Just let us know in the comments what other kind of videos you'd like for us to make, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.